Subway rotisserie chicken pizza.
Yes, sir.
They got banana peppers, red onions.
I'm gonna go running with my dog after this video. Yeah.
Mmm. This slaps.
If you ain't tried this shit yet, fire! What the fuck, Subway? Hold on now. Oh, yo. This him. It's only going for about $12 to $13.
It's a pretty small box, so it's definitely for one person. This is impressive.
I see that shit right there. I see that. Like, I had to tell that nigga $5, bro. That's how well he cooked that bitch. Go try this shit right now. I don't give a damn if your Subway closed. Break that bitch down.